This 2026 Keystone Hideout Mini 123BB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 15 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, refrigerator, skylight, TV, microwave, smoke detector, water heater, and 21 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bunk beds, mid-kitchen, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.